Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel .dwg Design with Ganesh. In this video, we'll make this sheet metal part in Catia software. In this video, we'll learn about extrusion command and then some cutouts. And then you can see one punch is there. So let's see about these things in this video. So without wasting time, let's start it. Go to software. Click on the start, mechanical design, generator sheet metal design, give its name, click on OK. Now since I want to, so first thing you need to specify the parameters, thickness as 1 and bend radius as 2, click on OK. So, see, I given bend radius as a 2, but here you can see most of the inner radius are 4s, so that's why I'm making bend radius as 4 here. 4 enter, and bend thickness I keep as 1. So let's see about. So since I want to make it from extrusion, I only need only open sketch. Click on this front plane, click on OK. See, let's make one profile. So which is horizontal line. So click on profile again. So since we made this portion only, so let's make this profile also. So these are not straight lines, these are curves, right? Click on the 3-point arc option, set this 2 points and make sure the third point will lies on this, which is not construction. Make sure like this. Do here also. We don't need to specify the radius for here since we given bend radius as a 4. Let's constrain this. So here this radius are about R5. So click on 5, enter. So 5, enter. Now the distances. So from height here to here is 40. From here to here it is 40, enter. Now this line about 40 and see it is 80 from this line to this center point, which is 80, enter. And this line which is 10 and 10, double click 10, enter, double click 10, enter. Right, now exit, and if you click on this extrude option, it will start giving the part. Let me give 2 seconds because my mouse is not working. So now it is okay. So now let's see what is the thickness, what is the extrusion length. So here you can see 30, from here to here 50, so total will be 60. So make it as 60, click on preview and mirror extend. If you give like that, it will over length will be 120. That's why I need to give half value. See, click on OK. So the lighting is being too much, that's why click on the view. Is okay now. This is okay. So now the thing is we need to make the cuts. Click on this, click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Make a one rectangle here. So you need to make a one rectangle right here. Select the rectangle tool. Right, now constrain it 40. So from this edge to this, which is 40. Double click 40, enter, and the length is 25, enter, and you will have one more dimension like this. It is not given, so okay, let's delete it. Make sure these two lines are symmetry about this line. So here, click on exit, use the extrude cutout option, click on preview. See, it is removing the material. Click on OK. And what will be the next? This extrusion cut is also there. Click on this face, click on position sketch, click on OK, and make a one rectangle here. Okay, and make sure this side and this side are symmetry about this line, and from here to here it should be 10 only, and this is also 10. Exit and pocket it up to 10 only, up to dimension you have to give, depth is 10, and see what will happens. Click on the F3 to appear to turn the specification reactive. Now this is a feature that is cutted the entire portion. I want to edit it. Double click on the feature. So here you can see, though I have given the dimension, it is cutted the entire portion. End limit is sheet metal pocket, you can select. So here you can see, click on preview, click on OK. Right, now two more pockets are there. Click on position sketch, select this plane, click on OK, make two rectangles. So let's constrain it from this edge to this edge, maybe 10 only. So, and this length will be 10 also. And what about height? See, it is 6.5. From where to where? From here to here, 6.5. Double click 6.5, enter, exit, and you can use the pocket option. Click on preview, click on OK. Now use this cutout to make it as mirror with respect to this. Click on OK. Select this plane, click on position sketch, or else you can directly use the whole option here. Click on that and select the plane that you want to make whole, and here you can see the position option. Click on that. You need to make at the point, you need to constrain this point. Double click on the point, and the distances, center distance is 30, that makes 15. From here to here will be 15, and from here to this edge, which is 26. So double click 26, enter, exit. What is the diameter of that hole? Which is 12. Click on preview, and up to next only. Click on preview, click on OK. The same hole I want on the other side. Use the mirror tool. Click on OK. That's it, guys. So next thing is, you need to one punch hole here. So here you can see the punch hole. So for making that, what you have to do is, so here you can see the stamp options. Click on that. So maybe flanged cutout. So this is the option that will useful for here. So after that, you need to click on this sketch option, select this plane, and make a circle of diameter 8, which is mentioned there. Double click 8, enter, just exit, Now click on the preview. This stamp is not allowed on sheet metal bottom. So maybe it is not stamp, surface stamp. So click on that. On the sketch option, select this plane, make a circle here, and diameter of 8 only. Exit. Confirm. So see, it is working. And opening edges means you can choose this as open edges. Preview. These are not opening. So these are not options. So here you can see this flanged cutout option is flanged hole. So sorry guys, this is the feature. So click on this and make sure it is, if the sketch option is not given, click on this as cancel and make one circle here. So click a circle of diameter 8. So what is the distance? It will be 8. No, 12. Exit. Now this is a feature, we need to add a one punch here, so you can use this flanged hole for this punch. So it is not allowing us to select the open edges. Open edges, you need to open this edge. Click on preview. So maybe it is the option for flanged cutout only. So this is the difference guys. So degree is 50 preview. See. Height is about 3.14 and so that's it guys, that's it about this video. If you find anything helpful in this video and if you learned anything from this video and want more content and get updated for this kind of content, please do subscribe to our channel.